Hello Mad Makers! Today I'm going to show you how to draw this fox drawing. I am going to be using a really great book by Ed Emberley. It's his drawing book of animals. He shows you step by step how to draw a bunch of different animals. And today I'm going to show you step by step how you can draw a fox. Okay, let's get started. You're going to need a piece of paper and some markers, color pencils, or just a regular pencil. I'm going to start with a marker, and I'm going to start with orange. You can make your fox whatever color you want it to be. So my first step is to draw a big rectangle in the middle of my paper. My next step is to draw a line coming out the back, and I'm going to make a rainbow shape, upside down rainbow, to connect that. I'm going to make a line in the front. I'm going to make a dot down here. And I'm going to connect this end to this dot and this end to this dot. Now I'm going to draw a line here. I'm going to put a little triangle on top and a second little triangle on top. Now I'm going to draw a dot in the middle of my face, and I'm going to draw a line that goes from this dot to this corner. I'm going to draw a line that goes from this dot to the bottom, and I'm going to draw from this dot to this corner. So you have a Y shape in the middle. And now we're going to color in this top triangle. I'm going to color in my rectangle. If I use the side of my marker, I can draw a bigger line and it will fill my rectangle in faster. And now I'm going to color in my tail, part of my tail. Okay. Now I'm going to pick a color marker for my eyes. I'm going to make my eyes green. So I'm going to do a circle here and a circle here. Try to make them about the same size. And now I'm done with that color. Now I'm going to need my black. For this step, I'm going to draw a triangle, a small upside down triangle right like that. And I'm going to draw a line coming out the bottom. And I'm going to fill my triangle in. I'm going to draw a smaller upside down triangle. I'm going to put a line there too. I'm going to fill that in. Up in the front here, I'm going to do another upside down triangle. I'm going to draw another line, fill that in. And my last step, I'm going to draw a curved line like that. Now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to do a dot in each eye. I'm going to make a tiny circle at the bottom here. And then I'm going to draw some lines, 3 lines, or more, or less, for whiskers. And my last step is to put some little circles on the bottom for feet. And there you have it. That's our fox drawing. You can leave it as is. You could add some details in the back. Maybe there's a forest in the background. Maybe there are some other animals around. It's up to you to add all those details. I hope you had fun watching today and making this fox drawing. Stay tuned for more videos to come.